Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to make your MikroTik router as a storage server using a USB pen drive. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you just need to connect your USB pen drive to your MikroTik router. So after connect USB pen drive to your MikroTik router, you need to open Winbox, and after that you need to put the password over here which you have set for your MikroTik router and click on connect. Now here's a MikroTik interface, as you can see. So after connect the USB, what you have to do, you just need to go to system first, then click on disk. Now here if you will click on scan, it will show your USB over here. So let me show you. So here is my USB, as you can see, it is 28 GB near about. So I will select that USB pen drive, and after that you need to click on format drive. Now here it will show you the FAT32 ext4. So if you'll choose FAT32, and that is best for compatibility, and if you'll choose ext4, and that is better for stability, and also it is Linux friendly. So I'll use ext4. Okay. And you can choose a level, and I will choose here G or E, whatever you want. Also you need to select the slot here, and after that click on start. Now as you can see, it is started, so you have to wait for a few minutes. So after done, as you can see, it is showing done. So you need to close this window. So now you need to enable file sharing. For that you need to go to IP, then click on services, and here you will see the FTP service. So simply you need to select that FTP service and click on enable. Okay, after that you need to close this window. After enable, you need to close this window. Now what you have to do, you need to add a user. So simply go to system and click on users, and here you need to click on new. Then you need to put your username, like I will put over here test, and group you need to select here full, and the password, in my case for example I'm setting over here 123, and after that click on apply, then okay. After done, you need to close this window. Now if you don't know your MikroTik router IP, simply go to CMD. If you will type ipconfig, and the gateway, the default gateway is your MikroTik router IP. So also you can check through over here, go to IP, then you need to click on addresses, and from here you can check easily. Okay, so now what you have to do, I will try to access through my CMD. So for that I have to type FTP, then IP of MikroTik router, and then press enter. Now I have to put my username, which is test, and password is 123. So now as you can see, I have successfully logged into that FTP server. Now if I will type ls command, as you can see, all the files and folder is showing under that folder. Also you can access that file server through Filezilla. So let me show you. Open your Filezilla, and in host you need to type that IP address of your MikroTik router. Username is test in my case, and password, the port is over here 21, port is 21, and after that click on quick connect, and as you can see it is working fine. So you can easily upload any files. As you can see, so it is successfully working. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button, and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.